Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the map text size on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the text size on your map is too small for you to see, you can change the size in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to change the map text size on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment screen. Then tap Navigation. In the navigation settings, tap Map Settings. Then tap More Settings. Now tap on Map Text Size to change the size. You can change between small, medium and large. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.